The streetlights glow, time moves slow, oh so slow. Midnight raindrops falling deep, lull the world to quiet sleep. Soft and steady they hum and play, washing all the noise away. The clock ticks soft, its steady song. Each moment drifts where we belong. Your hand in mine, a warming tether. We'll chase the storm, dance forever. Pitter patter, a rhythm divine, a symphony of rain and time. Each drop a note, a sweet refrain, a fleeting kiss on the window pane. Midnight raindrops falling deep, lull the world to quiet sleep. Soft and steady they hum and play, washing all the noise away. So let the rain keep tapping low, its melody, a gentle glow. In its embrace the night will keep, midnight raindrops dream asleep. Oh, let the rain keep tapping low, its melody, a gentle glow. In its embrace the night will keep, midnight raindrops dream asleep. Tap soft on my window pane, a rhythm so steady, a soothing refrain. Each drop a story whispered low, a quiet secret where dreams often go. Raindrop reverie, washing over me, gentle melody, set so free. Let the world fade, raindrop reverie. The streetlights shimmer in puddles wide, a fleeting canvas where shadows glide. Umbrellas bloom like flowers in gray, dancing through the drizzle. They sway, they stay. Oh, the rain knows no hurry, no care. It lingers, it whispers, it's always there, falling like time in an endless flow. A partner in solitude wherever I go. Raindrop reverie, washing over me, a gentle melody, set so free. Let the world fade, let it all be, this raindrop reverie. The storm hums a lullaby. lullaby, soft and true. A cradle of clouds, a sky pink blue. I'll drift on its rhythm, light as a plea, lost in my raindrop reverie. Whisper on the glass, a fleeting sigh, it doesn't last. Shadows dance where the street lights glow. Time moves slow, oh so slow. Midnight raindrops falling deep, lull the world to quiet sleep. Soft and steady, they hum and play, washing all the noise away. The clock ticks soft, its steady song. Each moment drifts where we belong. Your hand in mine, a warming tether. We'll chase the storm, dance forever. Pitter patter, a rhythm divine, a symphony of rain and time. Each drop a note, a sweet refrain, a fleeting kiss on the window pane. Night raindrops falling deep, lull the world to quiet sleep. Soft and steady, they hum and play, washing all the noise away. So let the rain keep tapping low, its melody a gentle glow. In its embrace, the night will keep midnight raindrops dream asleep.
Rain taps soft against my pane, each drop a note, a sweet refrain. I see your face in every stream, a fleeting ghost, a fragile dream. The world outside, it fades to gray, but you, my love, won't fade away. Raindrops and reveries, they play on my mind, echoes of laughter, a love left behind. I whisper your name to the rhythm of rain, but the answer I get is the sound of my pain. The raindrops and reveries, they play on my mind, echoes of laughter, a love left behind. I whisper your name to the rhythm of rain, but the answer I get is the sound of my pain. The streets below are glistening wet, like tears from a heart that can't forget. Umbrellas bloom like secret sighs, while I relive your last goodbye. Each puddle holds a piece of you, a love once whole, now split in two. The thunder rolls a mournful tune, a melody beneath the moon. Raindrops and reveries, they play on my mind. Echoes of laughter, a love left behind. I whisper your name to the rhythm of rain, but the answer I get is the sound of my pain.
The rain taps soft on my window pane, a rhythm so steady, a soothing refrain. Each drop a story, whispered low, a quiet secret where dreams often go. Raindrop reverie washing over me, a gentle melody setting my soul free. Let the world fade, let it all be in this raindrop reverie. The streetlights shimmer in puddles wide, a fleeting canvas where shadows glide. Umbrellas bloom like flowers in gray, dancing through the drizzle. They sway, they stay. Oh, the rain knows no hurry, no care. It lingers, it whispers, it's always there, falling like time in an endless flow, a partner in solitude wherever I go. Raindrop reverie washing over me, a gentle melody setting my soul free. Let the world fade, let it all be in this raindrop reverie. The storm hums a lullaby soft and true, a cradle of clouds, a sky painted blue. I'll drift on its rhythm, light as a plea, lost in my raindrop reverie.
Rain taps soft against my pane, each drop a note, a sweet refrain. I see your face in every stream, a fleeting ghost, a fragile dream. The world outside, it fades to gray, but you, my love, won't fade away. Raindrops and reveries, they play on my mind. Echoes of laughter, love left behind. I whisper your name to the rhythm of rain, but the answer I get is the sound of my pain. The streets below are glistening wet, like tears from a heart that can't forget. Umbrellas bloom like secret signs, while I relive your last goodbyes. Each puddle holds a piece of you, a love once whole, now split in two. The thunder rolls a mournful tune, a melody beneath the moon. Raindrops Raindrops and reveries, they play on my mind. Echoes of laughter, love left behind. I whisper your name to the rhythm of rain, but the answer I get is the sound of my pain. Thunder rolls a mournful tune, a melody beneath the moon.